Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's vlog, we are going to our municipality hall to get or to renew the registration of our tricycle. Yan. Thank you so much, Sir Steven, for your early birthday gift. Bali, kailangan po kasi namin talagang i-renew yung registro po ng tricycle. Taon-taon po yung ginagawa, and yung sa permit po, nakakuha na po ako. I already get the permit of our tricycle last time that I get my salary on YouTube. And ayun, naiwan nga po yung registro ng tricycle. And ayun, dahil nga po tayo ay binigyan ng blessings ng Sir Steve. Ayan, isa po yan sa mga kailangan kong unahin. Gawa nga po ng si Jomel. He can drive on another country, another municipality. Yan, hindi po kasi si Jomel makapamasada ng maayos. Gawa po ng hindi siya pwede magpunta ng Lian, ng ibang bayan, kumbaga. Dahil po hinahanapan po na rehistro yung tricycle. So, kailangan po natin yung i-renew para po dire-diretso yung pamamasada at ang ingay ng aming mga ibon. So, ayun guys, let's go! Thank you again, Sir Steven! So, ayun guys, bali, hindi pala to sa may munisipyo. Dito yung kuhanan ng rehistro or renewhan ng rehistro. Bali, last year nga pala nagpunta rin kami dito. At after nito, dumiretso kami ng Balayan. Pero sabi ni Jomel ngayon daw, hindi na kami pupunta ng Balayan. Bali, dito na lang daw ngayon lahat. So, aalamin natin, titignan na natin. So, ayan si Jomel. So, Steve, that's my husband. Renewing the registration of our tricycle. Bali, nagpapasa siya ng mga requirements, yung mga kailangan na papel yan. Thank you so much, Sir Steven. It's a very big help for me and, of course, for my family. My husband and also my kids are very happy yesterday when I told them that we will go to grocery. Yan. So, ayun guys, andito kami ngayon sa may pagawaan ng plaka. Sir Steve, we are here at the, because we need to get a plate number. We already have, guys. Ito, kapakita ko po sa inyo. Yan. Yan, bali may plate number na po kami. Kaya nga lang, kailangan daw is yung bago. Yung updated this year. Hindi ko alam kung anong itsura or kung ano yung bakit ganun na every year kailangan daw ay bago. Tapos, ano pala siya, ilan lang yung tao na pwede ngayong araw. So, naka-schedule kami para bukas, March 8, 2024, Friday, 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. So, eto 12 p.m. So, after nito, uwi na muna po kami para nga po, bukas pa yung schedule namin. So, ang nabayaran pa lang po namin doon ay 200 pesos. Yan. Kailangan pala yun, yung plate number. Even though we already have, we need to have a new one. So, ayun guys, nakauwi na nga po kami ng bahay galing ng pagpaparehistro, pero hindi pa po siya tapos. Bali, babalik pa po kami bukas kasi per schedule po pala yon. And ayun, ang schedule po namin ay 6 hanggang 12 ng tanghali bukas. And ngayon po, yan, Sir Steve, we are going to grocery to buy our daily needs. Yan, yung mga kailangan po namin sa pang-araw-araw. Siyempre, yan, yung pang-baon ng mga bata, mga tinapay, juice, yan, noodles, mga dilata, and egg, siyempre. Yun. And thank you so much again, Sir Steve. I'm with my husband. Yan. Mamaya na lang siya magpapasalamat. He is very shy. And thanks again, Sir Steven, and also to Pamela for the treat, for the merienda treat at Chowking. Thank you so much. So, ayun guys, at ayan, nakauwi na nga po tayo ng bahay galing po sa bayan, sa palengke. And yan, Sir Steve, this is the total of the food that I bought on the grocery store. And there, 1,994 pesos. And I also bought something, Sir Steve, but I didn't vlog it because the guard told me not to video on the new store. I bought my sleeper because the one that I use is more than 1 year. And hanger. Yan. Taran! Dami. Kasi dami naming mga labahin palagi. Eh, kulang lagi ang aming hanger. Tapos, I also bought towel. Yan, may ano-ano pa. And, sando for my kids because it's so hot in their school. Yon, guys. And the total here is 530 pesos. Dikita. 530 pesos. And ayun, Sir Steve, the other money I will keep it for some of our bills, but for now all my electric bill when you gave me last Sunday the 4,000, I already paid the electric bill, and today I paid my Wi-Fi, and I also paid money that I bought to her. That I borrowed to her. Yan. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. It's a very, very big help for me. I can say that my salary on YouTube this coming March 23 will be saved for my son's birthday. Thank you so much. It's a very, very, very big help. And my son are outside playing, but they want to say thank you, and also my husband, but he is very shy talaga. Hindi ko po siya mapilit at sobra po daw siya nahihiya. Yun, maraming salamat po, Sir Steve. Galing sa aking pamilya, sobrang salamat po. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. Tomorrow morning, my husband will go back to the ano tawag doon? To register our tricycle so that he can drive everywhere here in Batangas. Yan. Thank you so much, Sir Steven. And pasensya na guys, medyo madilim dahil mablabo ng ilaw dito eh. Nagamit lang tayo nitong flashlight. Yan. Thank you so much. At ayun, maraming salamat din po sa mga nakarating dito sa pinakadulo ng aking video. Yan, maraming salamat po. And shoutout po sa Sir Sino ako. Ingat po kayo palagi. Ayan, Sir Mim, shout out. Sir Ray Busto, Sir Mike, Tita Ruby, shout out po. Sir Edward, Sir Gordon, shout out. At syempre sa lahat ng ating mga solid na viewers, Kuya Jerry, shout out po. Mami G, I love you always. Sir Lutong Kabale, Nani mo, fan ko yung Emmet, at sa lahat pa po. Ayan guys, dito ko na rin po tatapusin tong vlog ko. At ako ay maglalagay muna sa rep. So, wait lang. Papakita ulit natin ang iba, ang mga pinamili natin. Bali, ayan. One box. A very, very big box. Sir Steven. Hindi po pala dito nagtatapos. Yan. Unboxing. Charis. Hindi. Ayun na naman po siya. Yung mga pinamili nga po. Yung mga tinapay, mga juice, and syempre yung our daily needs. Shampoo, toothpaste. And Sir Steve, I didn't buy rice because the last Sunday when you gave me, I already bought 25 kilos. That's why I didn't buy today. But the other money, I will keep it so that when I needed, I have extra. Thank you, Sir Steven. So yun guys, kita-kits na lang po tayo sa akin next vlog or next live. Ingat po kayo palagi. I love you all. God bless.